Coming up on Life with QT.
Hey guys, turn up! To give me my bag?
I left my key with just tires. We're here at Porto's. I got a turkey croissant, turkey cheese croissant. She got pork and rice. You love this stuff? Yeah. And we both got some lemonades. We have our Dream Boy here. Say hi, Dream. Hi. You're scruffy. Yes. Our food looks so good. It does. Look at this. So good. And then I got chicken empanada and potato ball. So excited. 10 out of 10. Do recommend.
So we're gonna eat and we'll see you guys in a sec.
I look like an actual egg. So Carmel just got here to pick me up. We're going to go shopping for her birthday party and turn up. And I'm super excited, and I'll see you guys in a second. Trying to be cool. Oh, I love my necklaces. At Party City, getting some party stuff. Turn up. Yes, flamingos. Everybody come through. Wow, we're having a party. Bye. There she is. See ya then. Okay. Okay. We're gonna leave now. I'm gonna go.
Okay, please.
I'm just gonna go.
Bye. I'll see you later.
Bye. I'll see you later. She doesn't even.
Can you give me my bag? Like I just. It's just ridiculous.
Bye, friend. See you. Am I cool or what? So I'm back home, just left Party City for this very successful trip. See what Selah Hannah Rogers is doing.
Hello, Max.
OOTD. Me and Selah are going to Ralph's. She's walking Dream outside. I'm gonna meet her outside with my car. Thought I'd let you know. See you later, alligators. Selah and Dream, my loves.
Right.
Say hi, Dreamy. Here, hold him. Don't be rude. The vlog is watching you.
Yeah, whatever. Oh.
Yeah. Look at my Dream bug. She's so cute, boy.
Hey guys, so I decided to record. My little Dream bed. Say hi, Dream. She didn't put gas in until the last minute.
It just reaches, because I'm far away from it.
That guy is cute.
You know that my window's open and you just heard you say that?
Yeah, whatever.
Area. Can it?
You got the wrong ones. It was supposed to be mixed.
This is all that they had. Wait, let me put my glasses on. I look cooler. We watched the show The Four with our mom, but she's in Atlanta right now, so we can't really watch it until she comes back. But it's okay. Then next week we'll have 2 episodes to watch.
Okay, we're in the car, and
so I got this vanilla latte, extra pump of vanilla.
Why do you do poses in a video?
It's fun. And yeah, I'm super excited. And I got a sausage, cheddar, and egg. Or something, I don't know. I just started getting these sandwiches because Selah always gets the bacon Gouda. Oh, there's cheese. And it always looks so good.
Bacon Gouda or double
smoked bacon. And it always looks so good. And so I started getting it because it smells so good. Yeah, so we're on our way home right now. I'm gonna make fried chicken for Selah Hannah Rogers.
She doesn't burn it again because
Selah, you like my chicken. I make it good. I burned it one time by accident.
You burned it 4 times!
Okay, so do you guys want to know the tea? Look at this house. I can show it now because they don't live there anymore. Okay, so that house. So if you guys watch Kian and JC, they're the 2 YouTubers that used to be on that YouTube channel O2L. But Kian and JC, you probably know them. So I always would see JC in the Ralph's that's right back there by our house, and I was like, he definitely lives around here. And then one time I saw him and his girlfriend walking and going into that house, and then I look in the window and they have and I would see it right in the window, and I was like, that's their house. So crazy. But now they
she doesn't watch it anymore because she lost track.
I don't really watch them like that anymore, but I just thought that was so cool that I like saw where they lived. When we lived in New York, so LA has always been my dream to like move to LA. And when we lived in New York, I would always see these YouTubers coming out here and like having houses and apartments and stuff. And I was like, that would be so cool to like be in that area with them and stuff. So it was cool because it was like I was in that area with them, you know? Like I felt like I was on their level. It was like, okay, you're my neighbor. Hey JC.
Comment down below if you still watch Stacy and Ken. And we'll put a link up at the description bar.
We will?
Won't see it.
What?
If you didn't,
who's we? Whose channel is this?
if we didn't see it.
So me, Sayla, and Dreamy Boy are watching Dance Moms. It's lit.
Don't ever say that.
Is it?
It's only lit when you go to a club.
Okay, what you know about the club, girl? About the club. You need a haircut. Your eyes. So right now I'm taking Dream for a walk. Just cook some chicken. Wife me up. Wifey material. I'll get my cool glasses on so I can be a cool dog mom today. Dreamy Boy, you ready to go outside? It's been kind of cold in LA lately. Dream. He like pulls so much because he wants to go home. He hates hearing noises. Dream. I don't really know what I'm doing or what I'm saying. I just want to vlog outside because it's cute. Hello. So I'm on my way to practice, and I wanted to show you guys my OOTD. So necklaces are from Topshop, my fave ever. I love necklaces. I like don't feel complete without it. Literally everything is from Victoria's Secret. This is Victoria's Secret shirt. This is Victoria's Secret pants, and it says Los Angeles on the back. Los Angeles. And this sports bra is from Victoria's Secret, and I love it. It's like netted with like orange. I just ate, so I'm like not feeling my best. I'm going to dance right now, and I can't really film that, so I'll just see you guys later tonight. That's about it. So I just got home, and I'm just gonna take a shower and then probably eat like a small snack, like a fruit or something, and go to sleep. So that's it for this part of the vlog. I probably will vlog tomorrow. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed today. It was a cute little day, you know, doing things, blah blah blah. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to sleep right after this, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the cooking with QT. Boo! Let's see if I can keep it perfect. Oh, that's so weird. Making some bacon, but I'm not talking about money. I hate how I look with red lipstick on. I just came home from a promo, so that's why I'm all done up. I'm making breakfast because I just got home, you know. I think I might make a smoothie, which is really weird because I hate smoothies, but for some reason I'm craving like some banana mango type of thing. Isn't that an attractive meal? Let me show you. So I got, when I went to Long Beach today, went to Portfolio Coffee House and got this green tea frap, but it's still liquidy now because it's been a while. And my favorite ever, cinnamon pull apart. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay. All right, so we're about to go to get my oil changed. Let me give a quick OOT dizzle. These are Levi's that I was gonna give away. I've had them in my giveaway bag for like, I don't even know, like 2 years or something, and I haven't given that bag away. But I just found them and I was like, wait, these are actually super fly. Why was I giving these away? So yeah, Levi's, so cute. And then this shirt is from Pretty Little Things. Just a simple shirt. I should put necklaces, but I don't really feel like it. I'm extremely tired right now, like extremely tired. And then just my Nike slides. Yeah, so we're gonna go to get my oil change, and then, well, I don't know. then I'm not gonna have a car, so I'll probably have to Uber back. So we'll see you guys later. Where's Salem? We just dropped my car off at Just Tire. She's so upset because she wants to go home that she's so mad at me. Look at the face. It's ridiculous. So my Uber's not working, so I don't know what to do. The Uber's not working.
How about we try?
I keep trying, so I'm gonna try again, but we're just walking around for now, you know, you never know.
I wanna go home.
Driver's 2 minutes away. I did it. Woo. We're going home. This is our beautiful scenery at the moment.
Beautiful
Beverly Boulevard. Don't be rude. Beverly Boulevard, turn up, waiting for the Uber.
Pretty puppy ever.
1 minute away.
So we are in the Rolex now.
No, what? We're on our way home. We have a dream boy in the car. I haven't taken an Uber in so long because I always drive everywhere. I left my key with Just Tires.
This girl is a plain idiot. Okay, so Coco decided to go to the office and get a master key to see if we can go in the building. Comment down below if you've ever been in this situation.
Girl came through once again, got the keys. I'm undefeated. I'm undefeated. No one can stop me. Cute boy. Ishmeeny, cute boy. I just got my car back and I'm so excited, and I just wanted to let you know that because I'm so excited, because I hate when I don't have my car and it's only been like 3 hours, but you know, I just got my car back. Okay, outfit, I see you. Who is she? Okay, OOTD. She's lit. Hi friends, so we're on our way to Carmel's house right now. The camera's gonna die, so if it does, then we'll see you when we get home. If it doesn't, then we'll see you when we get there and start decorating, and it's gonna be real cute. The decorations we got, love them. You'll love them. You saw my basket the other day, so cool. I'm like,
She acts like a 4-year-old baby that just poops itself.
you're rude.
I'm not rude.
Goodbye.
I'm just telling the truth.
How do I talk in videos? What do I do? Okay, pretend you're me talking to the vlog.
Hey guys, turn up.
I keep saying turn up every second. Isn't it annoying?
Of course it's annoying.
And what do I say? Okay.
Okay.
You're mean.
It's just the truth.
I can't. Okay, bye. I made it. She's hating on me being a YouTuber. She's hating. That's all I'm saying. Okay. Excuse me, Carmel.
I don't want to.
There she is. Got him. Got him.
Wanted to see me make the bed, or did you?
Girl, I need some content. Come on. We got the yellow Adidas. Turn up. OOTD. You already know.
None of that foo fake stuff.
Oh, she's.
So there we go. So then we can just start there and work backwards.
I don't understand. I know what I'm doing.
Erna, we're about to go to. Stop saying that! We're about to go to Chipotle, and I'm out here vlogging.